good day when Petal Driven arrives. I have some of this beautiful lisianthus. It's kind of a brown color with some brown roses. This is for my moody holiday table. Let's see what else we got. Just a bunch of privet berry. I like this darkness to the berry. Again, going for moody for this. And then look how darling these burgundy dahlias are. So I'm gonna unpackage this all. I just always love to show you guys how it comes, the whole process. You checking out what's going on? So when you pull out your flowers, sometimes they look a little smashed, but it is amazing what a fresh cut and some fresh water will do for these. Dark red burgundy scabiosa. Thanksgiving week is upon us, and I am really excited to be putting together this holiday-inspired centerpiece. I wanted it to be warm, a little bit moody and cozy to go with my tablescape, which I will be sharing with you in a few days. But let's put together the centerpiece. I've listed all the ingredients we're using. Today I am soaking a block of oasis. You can use a floral frog or some chicken wire, but you definitely need a base if you're going to be using a shallow container like I'm using. I'm actually using some cereal bowls that are from Pottery Barn. They're the Portugal line. I liked the ceramic look. I think it goes really well with the warm tones I'm going to be pulling in for the tablescape. As always, I'm starting to build the base. I am not using that much greenery, as you can see from the ingredients. I really only have this privet berry, which I would consider more of a filler, and a little bit of the baby blue eucalyptus sprigs will be used towards the end, but that's really it. So I'm just inserting about 3 of the dahlias right now, and next, I'm moving on to my main focal point, which is the cappuccino rose, which I love so much. Look how beautiful and unique they are. I think the cappuccino roses are beautiful. They're neutral. They have just such a pretty romantic look to them, a little bit moody, and I just fell in love with them. The next flower I'm going to be using are these lisianthus. These actually are my favorite flowers right now. I just think they are super darling. A lot of people use them as filler, but as you can see, these taupey brown lisianthus have so much personality and whimsy that I kind of wanted them to be the star of the show. So as you can see, they're coming in front of a lot of the roses and dahlias, and that is absolutely okay with me because I want them front and center. Because this is going on the centerpiece on a table, I need to make sure it looks good from all angles. So I'm using my little lazy Susan here to turn it around and make sure that every guest will be able to see an equally beautiful part of the arrangement. What's also fun is this bleached Italian ruscus that I found on Etsy. Actually, I'll link to it below, but I just liked that it was another neutral, a little bit of a dried element ingredient, which I think is really beautiful to use this time of year. This is going to be used on our Thanksgiving tablescape, but this centerpiece would be beautiful for any of your holiday parties that you have coming up because it is just really warm and inviting. Next, I'm adding these really fun, playful, and dark scabiosa flowers. They are really beautiful and fun. I liked the darkness to them. I like how they kind of can sit up high or kind of come out to the side because they have pretty thick stems. Now this arrangement I decided didn't really need the eucalyptus. It was already pretty full, but I decided since I had it to add a couple sprigs here and there. I'm just filling in where I see needs a few more things, fixing a few pieces that might have fallen, and I'm just about done. So here is the final centerpiece that I will be using on the Thanksgiving table scape that I'll be showing with you in a few days. So be sure to subscribe and check back for the full look Thanksgiving inspired table. It's going to be moody and warm, and these centerpieces ended up being just so beautiful, stunning. I loved all the warm colors, a little bit different than my usual neutrals. There's a few things that if you still need some more ideas for Thanksgiving that I hope this inspires you to recreate at home. Have a great day.